Hello everybody. I did an analysis to find out which are the 10 typewriters most used by writers and in general by famous people. I checked several archives and in the end I found more than 1000 typewriters that were used by famous people during more than 100 years. Some of them used more than one typewriter during their life. The record holders are Ernest Hemingway and Tennessee Williams, who are reported to have used 9 each. In some old photographs it was not possible to understand which was the exact model of typewriter portrayed. In this case, unfortunately, it doesn't appear in the ranking. The statistic is in fact different if you consider the manufacturers. I will make a separate video. Before starting, make your bet on the winner. Done? Let's start. In 10th place, Olivetti Studio 44, with 15 famous people who used it, including Thor Heyerdahl, Federico Fellini, William Burroughs. Eighth and ninth place, tied for the Hermes Baby and the Olivetti Lettera 32, with 16 writers each. For Olivetti, among others, Francis Ford Coppola, and for the Hermes Baby, Ho Chi Minh and Tennessee Williams. Excellent result, congratulations to both. Second machine placed by Olivetti in the top 10. In 7th place, from the 1950s, the German Olympia SM3 with 17 famous people who used it, including Stan Laurel, Philip Dick and Woody Allen. In 6th place, the Remington Noise Portable with 18 no users, including Betty Davis. We are approaching the top, and in 5th place, the Underwood 5. I know it is a disappointing result for the best-selling typewriter of all time, but here comes the problem I was talking about before. The Underwood models of that period were similar to each other, and sometimes it is difficult to make a certain identification. But it is still a good result, 19 users, including Arthur Conan Doyle and Douglas Fairbanks. And it is still the oldest machine in competition, built from 1900 to 1933. A round of applause, come on. More convinced, come on. Good. In 4th place, directly from the 50s, the Royal HH, used by Charles Bukowski and 20 other famous people. Now we are on the podium. Bronze medal in the 3rd place, Hermes 3000, another Hermes in the ranking, congratulations to the Swiss manufacturer. Used by Tom Hanks, Milan Kundera, Jack Kerouac and Robbie Williams, along with 21 other users. Great result. Now the 2nd place. The Royal KMM. The Royal places another typewriter in the ranking with 23 no users. Now we are on the podium and we are about to discover the machine most used by writers and famous people. The gold medal goes to, used by Alain Delon, Bob Dylan and 30 other enthusiastic users. The winner is Olivetti Lettera 22. It's also the 3rd typewriter in the top 10 by Olivetti. A true icon of industrial design, a famous portable built by Olivetti from 1949 to the end of the 60s, in different colors but always maintaining the original design. Certainly a good choice given its lightness, small size, good robustness and reliability. See you in one of the next videos where we will see a ranking of the most used brands where there will be no shortage of surprise. If your typewriter is not in the top 10, don't despair. It is still likely that it has been used by some famous people in the past. You can check a link in the description. Have a nice day.